Hey everyone, welcome back in Tech Talks once again. I'm Sahil Godara, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create an online course using Teachable. So when you enter teachable.com, it says you have to enter your email address. So let's go ahead and put one. So let's get started with the email address now. So here it says you have to enter your payment. So obviously my name is Sahil Godara. So let's give this a password. So I agree with all the terms of use and privacy policy. So let's get started. Let's create our own school now. So let's save this password for future. Here, so basically in Teachable, what you have is a platform where you can create an online school on which you can add unlimited number of courses, so unlimited number of students can access to those courses. So basically it's like a school but online. So here let's say I'm gonna name my school as Sahil Godara Teachable. So let's go and create new school. So here it's gonna give me a quick quiz. So let's go ahead. What type of online course you want to create? Marketing and business. Do you have an online course? So for the sake of this video, let's say no. Are you a business owner? So let's say no for the sake of this video. Obviously I'm from India, so let's go ahead and put in India. Enter my school. So it's gonna give you a quick. Let's view this dashboard now. Let me give you a quick brief intro with this interface. So here is the dashboard. In this dashboard you can see these 5 steps on launching your school before you can launch your school. So here you can sign up for their free live webinar. It's really worth watching. So I've personally watched that, and the people there are very supportive. They answer to each and every questions of yours. So I've also personally asked a lot of questions and I've got my answers to them. So you can sign up from here. So let's go ahead and create a course now. So let's say our course title is going to be how to create an online course. So let's go. So here you will enter your course subtitle. So now let's go and create course. So in this first section, let's go ahead and put a new lecture. New lecture, let's name it section 1. So here we can add some text. Let's go ahead and text, hey there, you are at the right place. So basically I've put anything, but you have to add some real stuff here, and it's unlimited. You can add as much as you want. So let's go ahead and publish our course. So from here let's go back. If you're in pages, you can edit your sales page. For example, let's go and customize this enroll button to say enroll now. And before anyone can have access to your course, you have to put a pricing plan in it. So let's go ahead and put a new pricing plan as free. And these are some of the tabs you can check out yourself. They are really important. So please let me know in the comment section below if you want another video on all these sections, all these tabs here. So here let's change the background to dark. Let's change a bit of things. and here you can change the color scheme, but I like as it is. So now let's go ahead and dashboard. So we have completely successfully done these 2 steps. We have completed them. Now let's go on to third and confirm our domain name. So this, you can change it yourself, but it will be a .teachable.com domain, subdomain. So let's use it for now. And let's go ahead and launch our school. So to launch your school, you have quite a few plans you can check out yourself. So it is for annual plans, like you have to be paying this once per year, and this is monthly plans, so once per month. So basically both the plans have same features but different pricings. So let's go ahead and get our school with a free plan. I prefer free plan as long as you're not doing anything. So here we are in our school. So let's go ahead and view our school. So this looks really awful, but it is actually a school for now. So let's go and enroll in my school. Here, from here, any student can enroll in your school. So basically, this is how you create an online course on Teachable. So thank you so much, guys, for staying here till now. I really appreciate that, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you find it useful. You can also go check out my course on sahil-godara.teachable.com. There you'll find how to build your brand and how to grow it successfully. So thanks so much for watching this video.